Hello again guys, welcome to a new video and good morning Philippines, good evening Canada, hello world. Holy smoke guys, it's been a week again no upload because it was totally another week super duper busy at work, and then this evening guys we're gonna try that all-time favorite, but this is the second time I'm gonna try the Palabok Fiesta. I'm mostly a spaghetti guy, so this is the second time. So we have to try the Jollibee Palabok Fiesta, guys. Here you go, guys. Jollibee, all-time favorite, guys. So as always, this is not a sponsor, okay? So we're gonna give it a shot. So here is the and yeah, okay, and then let's dig in, guys. So yeah, I'm not like I said, I'm not how you call that palabok uh, guy. I'm mostly spaghetti guy, and this is my second time, guys. Okay. Mm. Yeah, I prepare I prepare spaghetti than palabok, and I've been you said Jollibee. Yeah, it's the noodles is it's soap, and the flavor is yeah, it's good as well. Mm. And muna lang gitawag og kuan guys kana bitong palabok fiesta kay including the one piece of the chicken, and this one is a spicy chicken. Lami kayo. And as always, thank you for watching my videos, and stay safe guys, please stay safe. Mm. My favorite guys, chicken. All time favorite guys, Jollibee. Lami kayo. And as always, I'm not good in mukbang guys, and this is not a mukbang. This is my dinner again. Sunday guys, ba daghang ko kanang routine nga buhaton guys basta Sunday, so maliit yung kog dinner basta Sunday ko sa mm. So guys, I love the chicken in Jollibee guys. See, as you can see guys, I'm not the noodles of the palabok. It looks like a bit different than the spaghetti. I'm more in the spaghetti guys. Mm. Lami ka ba lami? Mm. See, it's done guys. It's done. So probably we end up the video right here, and I'll see you in the next video guys. Peace out.